Okay guys, it's Wednesday, April 29th, and today you're gonna have really kind of short Google form to do for me, and I don't think it'll be too bad. If you're worried about like the multiplication or addition or whatever, you can do these with a calculator. But I wanted to show you the way to find the reciprocal of a mixed number. So you see how that's 4 and 2/5? This really means 4 plus 2/5. But before we can do a reciprocal, we need to turn this into a fraction and not a mixed number. So you can't just flip the fraction here like we did yesterday. We have to turn this into a fraction. And the way we do that is we take 4 times 5, so that would be 20. So that would give us 20. And then we're gonna add that top number. So if we add that, that would give us 22. So 4 times 5 plus 2, that's our top number in our fraction, 22, and the bottom stays 5. So it's big number out in front times the denominator and add the numerator. So that's where the 22 came from. And then what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna flip that. So it's gonna be 5 over 22, and that's what you'll type in on your Google form. So you can just type it with the 5/22, and that'll give you the right answer. Okay, so again, it's 3 times 2. So if I do 3 times 2, I get 6. Then I add that top number on. So that gets me to 7. So that would be the top number of my fraction. And the bottom number stays 2. So that is 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. And then we flip it. Now, if you have a negative out here in front, that just tells us that our fraction is going to be negative, but don't, especially if you're using a calculator, don't do -1 times 3 plus 1. That will give you the wrong answer. It's just 1 times 3, so that would give me 3. And then I add the numerator, that gives me 4. So that's the top of this fraction. So it'd be 4 over 3. And then when you do the reciprocal, you just flip it. But the reciprocals of a negative number are always negative. Okay, so we flip it. So remember, all your job is today is to turn it into a fraction and then flip it. So if it's a negative fraction, just for another random example, if it's a negative fraction, the reciprocal is negative, and you just flip it upside down. So that's all you're gonna do today on the Google form, and I'm gonna keep it short because I know some of you have a lot of makeup work to do, and so the form should only take you maybe 5 minutes. So good luck with that, and if you need anything from me, you let me know. And I'm thinking about you, and I'm missing you, and I hope you all well. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.